Hello, Education 555. And as we get started here again with Module 5, thank you for the work that you did with Module 4, reading through that book and the contextual development and the responding to each other. I hope you found some things that you can apply to your current setting. So let's go to Module 5, Issue, Trend, Position, Development. This week's essential questions: what's happening in the world and in the United States? How does your school compare? And what do you believe? We will keep reading through the text and have you looking at what are some things that are resonating with you, what are some things that you would disagree with, and hopefully learning about how education is done around the world and being very interested. And hopefully that the text is interesting to you, lots of good stories, lots of things to apply. So let's check out what that required reading is. We'll finish up The Smartest Kids in the World. So make sure that you are reading the 151 to 232, and we will continue and finish up that text this week. Additional resources are here. These are the topics that you will use for this next personal position statement, and these are some resources here for you to use for that. I also encourage you to do your own research with these, but you can start here as well and use some of this as well. Database decision making, Every Student Succeeds Act, homework, coding, and grit and growth mindset. These are the topics to pick from for the personal position statement for this week. Let's look at the first discussion. Pick something from the smartest kids in the world and how they got that way. What points are resonating with you? What do you disagree with? Make sure that you post your response with a reference in APA format. Put yours by Wednesday, respond to 2 others by Sunday. Next assignment is the second personal position statement. Make sure that you are following the rubric for this. Also, please make sure that you look at the assignment exemplars that are in the course information section. Make sure that you're following what those are. It will really help you. These are due by Saturday at midnight. And you will post your assignment here as a Word document or a PDF. Post the personal position statement here. Again, following the rubric and the assignment exemplars. Post that assignment to this assignment. You'll be graded for your work here. And then also copy and paste the same thing to 5.3 by Saturday at midnight and respond to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. So again, the personal position statement gets put in 2 places. As a PDF or Word, your assignment, put it right here in 5.2, and then copy and paste it into 5.3 and both by Saturday at midnight, and then respond in 5.3 by Sunday at midnight. Questions? Anyone is here if you have any questions you are wondering about. Looking forward to this module, finishing the book, and seeing some more personal position statements. As a reminder, please keep working on your final project as well, which will be due in Module 7 of the course, and that will be coming up here really fast, so make sure that you are working on that too. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great week.